Welcome back to the channel. Ever been stuck in the middle of nowhere with a dead battery? Today, I've got something that can turn a stressful moment into a quick 30-second fix. This is the NOCO Boost GB40, a 1000 amp ultra-safe lithium jump starter that can bring your car back to life without needing another vehicle. In this video, we'll dive into powerful features, test its performance, and see if it's worth adding to your emergency kit. 1000 A peak current power. The GB40 delivers 1000 amps of peak current, strong enough to jumpstart gas engines up to 6 liters and diesel engines up to 3 liters. That means cars, SUVs, motorcycles, trucks, or even small boats, all covered. Jump starts up to 20 times on one charge. It's built with a powerful internal lithium battery that can deliver up to 20 jump starts on a single charge. Perfect for long trips, cold climates, or emergencies where help isn't available. Even if you accidentally connect the clamps the wrong way, it won't damage your car or the jump starter. Built-in LED flashlight. It includes a 100-lumen LED flashlight with 7 lighting modes, including high beam, low beam, strobe, and even SOS. It's incredibly helpful for night emergencies or roadside repairs. You get a USB port that can recharge your smartphone, tablet, earbuds, or GPS while you're on the road. Compact lightweight design. Unlike bulky jumper boxes, the GB40 is lightweight, compact, and portable. It fits easily in a glove box, backpack, or emergency kit. You'll barely notice it until you need it. It's also rated IP65 water resistant, so rain or splashes won't stop it from working. Quick and easy operation. To use it, just connect the clamps, turn on the GB40, wait for the ready indicator, and start your vehicle. The GB40 is made with a rugged rubberized casing built to handle drops, rough surfaces, and tough weather. The entire process usually takes under 1 minute, even for large engines. If you want a reliable jump starter that's safe, powerful, and built to last, the NOCO Boost GB40 is an excellent choice. Clamps on, power on, indicator ready, and start. Just like that, the engine start immediately. Product link in the video description. If you found this video helpful to you, share it with your friends. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more reviews.